Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a bead collection. This one is from Eureka Crystal Beads and it's called Lavender Lemonade. Let's see what surprises we can find. If you're familiar with Eureka Crystal Beads, you already know that they are masters at putting together a very cohesive palette of beads. And this one's going to be no exception. The bead collections come with beautiful inspiration photos and an inspirational paragraph about the collection. And when you open this up, you get a complete list of all the items that are included. And this collection has a total of 21 items, plus a bag with everything in it. And if you're asking yourself, do you really need another bead collection? I just want to show you this beautiful crystal bracelet and or necklace that you can make using some of the items that are in this Lavender Lemonade collection to give you an idea of what you can make using the purples and greens, and something to think about as we look at the individual products. And yes, I'll have a tutorial on my channel coming out very soon for this. So if you want to purchase one of these collections or look at it on their website, I'll leave my affiliate link in the video description. We're going to start off with the first 5 items that are seed beads. There's size 15 Miyuki seed beads, and these are silver galvanized. Great metallic to have included in any collection. If you love purples, look how pretty these are. These are a Toho treasure. So it's a cylinder bead, just like a delica would be. And these are a purple lined rosaline rainbow. You get a full 2.5 inch tube. These vibrant beads here are all by Preciosa. Both of these are an opaque olive. So you have the size 11, opaque olive, and also the size 8 to match it. And then there's this fun, bright, beautiful amethyst opal soul gel bead. And I feel like you really need to see these up close to appreciate how pretty these are. This next group of beads are our check glass beads from the collection. We're going to start right here. This is a very lively color. You have a strand of 3mm fire polish beads in primrose yellow. You get a total of 50. And then you have another strand of fire polish, but these are a 6mm, and this is saturated metallic spring crocus. You get a strand of 25. And this next item was a 5-gram bag of check glass O beads. These are a 1x4mm, and they were a jet argent full. So they have a black base, that is the jet, and completely coated. So pretty, a nice metallic accent. And there's a full tube of this beautiful super duo bead. These are a 2-hole 2x5mm check glass bead, and this is one of the suede metallics in purple. So a strand of beautiful 3x2mm crystals. They have lots of sparkle on these Chinese crystals. We love using them to fill little spaces in our beadwork. So pretty. And the color matches perfect with these O beads. Look at that. And there are 6 8mm crystal chatons in this beautiful amethyst color. So if you like working with a dark crystal, nice deep point, these will be right up your alley. The 8mm chatons, plus these 12mm rivolis are both by Krakovski with their brilliant color. They have such a beautiful color. I love the ovaline. And we also have 2 Krakovski oval stones. These are the 10x14 and the same ovaline color. So pretty. And here's a close-up on the back if you want to see what that looks like. And here we have a very large oval stone. This is in the same amethyst as the 8mm chatons were, and this is an 18x25 oval stone. Here are 72 Preciosa 4mm bicones that have a fabulous mix of colors that really coordinate with everything. And then look at this beautiful strand of 100 4mm Krakovski pearls. This is a royal purple, and I love how it really reads purple. And of course there's some findings so you can complete your beadwork. We have a pair of ear wires and a pair of ball post earring findings with a loop at the bottom, and one magnetic disc clasp, and a toggle clasp with a simple bar. And for these triangle frames, you can use them as a connector or to work with your beads. There's an easy joy in these colors: vivid violets and bright flashes of lime green. Lively without being too loud, and playful without trying too hard. Drink from the well of inspiration, which is Lavender Lemonade. This month we're going to do something a little different. We need to store our beads somehow, and I don't like to keep mine in little plastic bags. They seem to get lost. So what I want to do is go ahead and immediately put it into one of these containers. I've completely tidied up the Lavender Lemonade Collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. We had the beautiful inspiration photo, something that looks really exotic to drink. Of course, a little inspiration, a list of all the products that were included. There were a total of 21. And all the beads, crystals, and findings arranged in one of my own personal organizers so I can get ready to start making some jewelry. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.